Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2018 Land Rover Discovery Sport 2.0 TD4 SE Tech Auto 4WD. Finished in Firenze Red with a black leather interior. At the front, the Discovery Sport carries a bold and purposeful design with a strong grille, sharp headlights, and a heated windscreen for year-round clarity. From the side, this SUV stands tall on 18-inch gloss black alloy wheels, paired with gloss black roof rails and smooth, muscular lines. Electric folding mirrors and a solid stance complete its commanding presence on the road. At the rear, the clean look is finished with LED taillights and a powered tailgate for easy access. Rear parking sensors and a reverse camera make tight maneuvers simple and stress-free. Powered by a 2.0-liter TD4 diesel engine and 4WD system, this Discovery Sport handles city streets and rugged terrain with ease. Cruise control and stop-start technology ensure a smooth, efficient drive every time. Inside, you'll find 8-way electric front seats with heating, high-quality leather, and a functional layout built for both comfort and utility. The cabin is spacious and built to adapt, perfect for families, professionals, or active lifestyles. In terms of technology, it's equipped with built-in navigation, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and an intuitive infotainment system. In the back, the Discovery Sport shines with a 7-seat setup, perfect for growing families or those needing extra flexibility. In the boot, there's great space on offer, especially with the third row folded, easily accessed via the powered tailgate. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration CX18JUU to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.